Messy data slows you down, but don't worry, Excel has built-in tool to clean it up fast. In this video, I'll show you how to use clean, trim, proper and substitute function to remove extra spaces, unwanted characters and format text properly. Let's get started.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So here in this sheet you can see that I have the data that has the non-printable characters along with the extra spaces, and there are some issues of the small and capital letters, along with there are some letters that I don't want in the final text. So how I can do this? Let's learn. I'll go to this B2 cell and here I will write equal, and first I will use the clean function. Clean function actually removes any non-printable characters from my text. So I'll choose this A2 cell, close this bracket and press enter. You can see that the first non-printable character have been removed from this data. To apply it to all, I'll go to the bottom right corner and double click it. After this, I would like to remove extra spacing. So I'll go to this formula bar and after equal, I will write trim and pass this function as such, close this bracket and press enter. So the extra spaces between the first and the last name is removed for the first record, and to apply it to all, I will double click or just drag it down. Now the next thing is that there are some issues with this data where the letters are small and capital. To settle them all, I'll go to this formula bar and after equal, I will write proper and pass this formula as text to this function, close this bracket and hit enter. So now the issues for the small and capital letter will be resolved as soon as I will apply this to all the text. The next thing is that in the data we have the question mark repeatedly in different names. To remove this question mark, I will use the substitute function. So here after equal, I will write substitute and pass this whole formula as text, and after this I will put comma, and as a old text in inverted commas I will provide the question mark, comma, and the new text is actually nothing. So I will write inverted commas and close this bracket and hit enter. To apply it all, I will go to the bottom right corner and double click it. So you can see that the question mark have been removed from my data. So we have settled all the issues. Either they are non-printable characters, extra spaces, capitalization issue, or there are some letters that we don't need in the final clean data. And from the look you can easily identify that how different the raw data and the clean data. Now that you have learned how to clean data in Excel, start applying these tricks to keep your spreadsheet error-free. Like, subscribe and turn on notification for more Excel tips. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments.